We are at Siren Rock Brewing Company. We're a 13,000 square foot production brewery in Rockwall, Texas.
We have about a 2,000 square foot tap room, a full production facility, a full kitchen, 2 beer gardens, and a private event space.
Our sound system was very, very important. The selection of the company, the equipment, how it was going to work. You know, we wanted a good quality system, but also something easy to use.
Corey and Eva reached out to Mizzen Marketing and said, look, we're going to build this incredible environment, but we want audio to enhance the experience.
Basically, you have a multi-zone, very different speakers, and the Atmosphere processor and amplifiers are at the heart of the system.
Atmosphere is a family of products. It's really a platform, and there's a number of features to it, really designed to make it an easy installation, and that's all in one solution.